What's up, guys? So I am in Aldi because school's gonna start. Well, I'm gonna start school on Monday, and I wanted to pick up some fruits and vegetables for my kids to have for lunches and just snacks this week. So let me turn around and show you what I got. So real quick, I just bought some bags of bagels for easy breakfasts. Got some carrots, two bags of this coleslaw, this kombucha for now for me and my son to drink, as well as this juice right here. I got some bananas, avocados, 2 bags of mandarins, cilantro, and limes. I tried this. I'm going to try this croissant buns for the first time because I had a breakfast sandwich from Starbucks one time and it was kind of like on a croissant bun like this, and it was delicious, so I'm going to try that. I got this graham cracker crust because I want to make a pie. I think I saw someone make a peanut butter pie and it looked delicious and they used this, so I'm going to try this. And I want to make a fruit salad, so I got some raspberries just for me to eat right now, but I'm going to put blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. I got grapes are a good price, maybe like $1.69, so I got 2 bags of those. We'll freeze some because my son does like to eat frozen grapes. I did get 1 box of this Honey Nut cereal because just for a quick breakfast. It doesn't sustain kids or anything, but a snack. Some green apples. And then I just got 1 loaf of bread because I haven't made bread yet, but I know I need to, but just to have this as backup. And then I got some meat because I want to make Italian sandwiches. I've never tried salami before, but on all the recipes for Italian sandwiches, they have it. So I got that one and prosciutto. And then I already have turkey meat that I'll use at home. I got a container of orange juice for making smoothies. This one is for my kids to drink now. And then a container of quick oats so that I can make oat balls. And then I also just had my son pick up 2 bags of Brussels sprouts so that I could roast them. I saw Tangi from Freedom Homestead roast some Brussels sprouts in one of her videos, and she said it was delicious, so I'm gonna try that. And then I've never had this before, but it looked delicious. So as you guys can see, I'm thirsty. Don't go to the store thirsty or you pick up all the drinks. It is super crowded in here. I guess for everyone shopping for back to school. I'm not sure. It could just be a normal shopping day. I haven't been to Aldi in a long time, so I'm unsure. But the line was super long, so we had to go around to the next aisle to just get to the line. They didn't have everything that I needed here, so I am going to have to go to Walmart, but it's just across the street, and see if they have some of the things that I'm missing. I just saw this all-weather wicker, 3-piece wicker patio set, and it's on sale for like half off, and it's gorgeous. And I'm thinking about putting it in my garden. I was looking at some a Pioneer Woman set at Walmart the other day, but it wasn't on clearance yet. But now that I see this is definitely tempting me. I don't know. There's only 4 left. I think I'm gonna leave it for now and think about that though. So I just spent $103.97 at Aldi. They didn't have any mangoes or turkey pepperoni or some organic romaine just for salads this week. So I'm gonna run either to Earth Fair, which is Earth Fair and Walmart are basically right next to each other. So if you go in Walmart, it's further. It's such a big store. But I think I'll head into Walmart. So I'm in Walmart and I did find the mangoes. I got the bread to make the Italian sandwich. I got a plantain because I am from New York, and one thing I miss about New York is the Dominican food. I used to eat Dominican food up there basically my whole life, and so every time I would visit up there, I would make sure I would stop at the Dominican restaurant and get the rice, the beans, the chicken, and it will come with plátanos, which is plantains, and they were just so delicious. My family doesn't really care for it, so I only got 1 just to make me a special batch, and maybe I'll try and make Dominican food this week. I also got 2 boxes of this oven ready lasagna. I have like one box that's open at home because I made 2 freezer meals of lasagna, but we've already eaten them and we have a few left. So hopefully I'll make one for dinner and then can freeze maybe 2 more. They did have the sour cream here. I got these gluten-free vanilla wafers because I do want to make banana pudding. We're not gluten-free or anything, but sometimes I just like to get gluten-free things when I think about it or when they have it, just to not consume too much gluten because I know it's not good for us specifically. I also got this whole milk plain organic yogurt because I want to make some yogurt. And then I came here for turkey pepperoni, which they had, but then right next to it I saw that they had the pepperoni I usually get from like Earth Fare or Whole Foods, which is this uncured pepperoni with no nitrates or nitrites. And so I got 3 bags of that because my husband really does like the pork pepperoni, but it is more expensive. I think it was $1 more per bag than this turkey pepperoni. So I was thinking we could use these for making like homemade Lunchables if the kids want. I have crackers at home, I already have cheese, and then we could save this for pizza. Last but not least, they do have the organic romaine, so I'm gonna get a bag of this and we'll be all done. If you are new here, you might be wondering, what about meat? And if you do not know, we do order our meat from Butcher Box, and so we get that in the mail. Right now our freezers and fridge, well, mostly our freezer is stocked with meat, and so I didn't have to order any meat, or not order buy any meat. Sometimes when I do see a really good sale on meat or clearance meat, I do pick it up. Today I didn't see any, so I didn't pick anything up, but I also don't need it. We also are stocked on things like rice and noodles, so we have all of those type of items, so we're really good. I was just here for fruits and vegetables and just some convenience items obviously, but just wanted to throw that in there. If you are new here, you might be wondering, what about meat? And if you do not know, we do order our meat from Butcher Box, and so we get that in the mail. Right now our freezers and fridge, well, mostly our freezer is stocked with meat, and so I didn't have to order any meat, or not order buy any meat. Sometimes when I do see a really good sale on meat or clearance meat, I do pick it up. Today I didn't see any, so I didn't pick anything up, but I also don't need it. We also are stocked on things like rice and noodles, so we have all of those type of items, so we're really good. I was just here for fruits and vegetables and just some convenience items obviously, but just wanted to throw that in there. What's up guys? So it's actually been a couple days. I'm about to head out to the garden, but I figured before I do, because I just looked over there and saw all of my brassicas that look pretty good, so I'll show you those too. So this is what most of my brassicas are looking like. Looking pretty good. I did start some new ones that didn't, I think they were too leggy or something. I don't remember what happened to them. So there are some freshly new ones in here, but for the most part, they're looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. So those will actually be ready to come out. I'll probably plant those out, I'm thinking the end of September. I thought one of my dogs was chasing me or running behind. Actually, this vlog is going to be way shorter than I thought. I came out here, I wasn't recording, and I took out some of the remaining plants on the trellises, and then I replanted some cucumbers. So I planted one here and then some here, which is the apple cucumber, and it's actually starting to rain. I cleaned up this side of the trellis, planted cucumbers on this side, put a bag of garden soil. Same thing over here. This is the Mexican sour gherkin. You can see one right there. But it hasn't produced anything all season, but it's finally hit the top of the trellis, so I left it there. But then I did plant the Suyo long cucumbers all on this side. And then these are the tomatoes from the suckers that I pulled off, and they're actually starting to root at the bottom, so I know that they are ready to plant out. And then those right there are the ones that I planted for a second crop. I just randomly found my hori-hori knife when I was looking for it earlier and couldn't find it. Whoa, I almost ran into that butterfly. It's huge. So I also replanted this trellis. This is the miniature white. And then over here we have salt and pepper. And I thought I was gonna have to, what is it called? Water those in, but looks like I'm not going to have to because it is starting to rain already. I'm gonna have to bring my phone inside because it cannot be wet. But I'm actually going to continue out in the garden until it starts pouring because I want to get some stuff done. I'm going to actually ask my kids. We are on our second day of homeschooling. It's been going good. We started yesterday, which was Monday, and it's been going good so far. We did take pictures. We forgot to take first day of school pictures, so we took second day of school pictures, and I posted that on my Instagram. So me grocery shopping was a few days ago, and I just never finished that vlog, so I added it onto this. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.